look at, just in at unique, especially in classics. 1966 Buick Skylark 2-door hardtop. Original California black plate car up until 2010. When it came to North Dakota, the engine is a 455 with a 4-barrel, built to stage 2 specs, was actually done by a company down in Missouri. Lightning performance, and we're going to check out underneath the hood here in a little bit. Start it up, let you hear it run. Power steering, power brake equipped car. Take a look at the front headlight surrounds, grille, chrome shows well. Original Arctic white car with teal interior, so still in the color combination. Would have been new, has had a repaint. Paint shows well, but you will find there's a little touch-up spot here, one down here, but overall, nice looking car. Be proud to drive this to any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. You want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see how straight these long panels are in this one. Riding on the 14-inch Buick rally style wheels. This interior is believed to be original. Does show wear in a couple spots. There is one over there in the driver's seat. Something else that I want to make you aware of is it does have an aftermarket radio that is in the glove box, and that is hooked up live. So make sure that's turned off. Battery will go dead, but I want to leave it on, remind myself to show you guys that. Black vinyl top. It's also the way this car would have come back in 1966. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also, a folder of receipts, kind of notes, UPC codes, on what was done to this car, what's been replaced. So there is a couple of manila envelopes. You can actually see them over there. There's a dash mat. I left that off, but I'll show you the dash, original looking dash, but there is a dash mat that will go with it too. Some other miscellaneous things. I'll leave those California black plates, go with the car. And again, still pictures. Check out the trunk, engine bay, still pictures can be seen. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Look up and down the driver's side, also see how straight that is. All right, let's go take a little closer look at the interior. By the way, that engine was done in Missouri. I mentioned that earlier, and that was done in 2019, FYI. So not a lot of miles on it. When we pop the hood open, I'll go through some more specifics on that too. Door panels, again seats, and you can see a couple of those spots that I mentioned earlier. A little wear there, one on the top. Headliner is intact. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Of course, aftermarket tack here in the steering column is a little cold-blooded. We're going to let it warm up here a little bit. Tends to idle a little better. When it's warmed up, that's also believed to be the original miles, 85,887 on the car. Okay, like I said, you have the original dash. It does show its wear a little bit. There is a dash mat that will go with it if you wanted to cover that up. Other than that, very original looking dash. The stereo does work, as you can see, it's powered up.
Because those savings could add up in the future.
There are amps in the trunk. Good sounding stereo. We're going to turn that off so don't forget. There we go. I think we're probably about warmed up. Again, 455 underneath the hood. 4-barrel carb. Built to stage 2 specifications. And again, done by a company in Missouri, business down in Missouri. Lightning performance. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. You can hear that run. Good sounding car. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, power steering, power brakes, and you can see you got AC compressor over there. The AC is not completely wired. FYI, here's most of the components are there. It's a consignment car. Owner is elected to sell it that way. What I can tell you about the engine though, Holley SS 830 carb, MSD ignition, does have hooker headers, Flowmaster exhaust, and once again, 455, built to stage 2 specs. Build was done in 2019 as far as the engine. Car came out of California to North Dakota in 2010. Nice looking engine bay, good running 455. This one's a blast to drive, goes down the road very well, brakes true. There you go, 1966 Buick Skylark, 2-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades, financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.